richest man in the world has enormous influence in the upcoming administration. Billionaire Elon Musk, co-head of President-elect Trump's Department of Government Efficiency, has been ubiquitous as the transition team does his work. He's even gotten a spending bill killed that could have led to a government shutdown the weekend before Christmas.
Take over, Elon!
The president-elect is facing major blowback today after First Buddy Elon Musk took charge and ordered Republicans to torpedo a major spending bill, bringing the government to the brink of a shutdown. Kill the bill, Musk blasted. This bill is terrible. What a scam.
Elon Musk, the world's richest man, just tweeted, this bill should not pass.
Well, I was communicating with Elon last night.
Speaker of the House Mike Johnson was forced to shelve the bill. Now everyone's asking,
who is in charge? I think Elon Musk believes he's president.
Headlines today are calling Elon the shadow president. And this, Vice President Trump as Musk calls the shots.
A guy who's never received a single vote, I guess, is now effectively running these United States.
Democrats on Capitol Hill today are expressing outrage.
Billionaires are running the show here. And so what I want to say to people is you thought you voted for Trump. You didn't actually. Who's taking orders from whom? Musk is calling the shots.
But Republicans are on Team Elon. Kentucky Senator Rand Paul is even pushing Musk to be elected Speaker of the House. The Speaker of the House need not be a member of Congress, he posted. Nothing would disrupt the swamp more than electing Elon Musk.